Welcome to NetCert Learning Channel. Thank you everyone for subscribing and supporting us to reach 1000 subscribers. Keep supporting us. Let's start. Our topic is how can you get free Huawei HCIA, HCIP or HCIE certifications. So I will share the website link in the description of video. You have to click on this Learn on Program website. Once you click on this website, you will find the list of different countries where Huawei is offering free certifications. You have to click on your country and follow the steps. I will share the website link in the description of video where you can join Huawei Learn On program. In my previous video with the same Huawei Learn On program title, at that time the free certifications were offering in 23 countries. But now Huawei adds some more countries and currently Huawei certification is available free of cost in more than 60 countries. You have to visit this website and click on your country name. A separate web page will be open where you will find the requirement and the procedure. How can you get free Huawei certification? I will show you some examples. So let's start from any country you can visit. For example, this is for Norway. The steps are almost same. Step 1, register, online self-study, pass the mock final exam and apply for voucher and book Huawei certification exam. So step 1 is you have to register. Step 2, you have to do online self-study. Step number 2, online self-study, you have to watch the videos of each course. And step number 3, you have to pass the mock exam and apply for voucher. In some countries, Huawei already providing the contact details of the person where you can send the screenshot of your mock exam results. So Huawei is offering 1000 free vouchers. The value of these vouchers is $200 because Huawei HCIA course total fee of the course is $200, but now you can get it free of cost. And all these offers will be finished on 31st December 2020. So every country have a different requirement and different procedure. For example, this is Learn On in India, they have a different requirement. This is Learn On Pakistan, same steps. You have to register, you have to do online self-study, pass mock exam and apply for certifications. So this is Learn On in Oman. It same steps, register, online self-study, pass mock exam and apply for Huawei certifications. So step number 1, you have to visit on this website and click on your country link. So let's start with some examples. For example, in Learn on Oman, after the registration, you have to self-study. For example, if you have enrolled in HCIE routing and switching course, you are enrolled in this course. You have to enroll the course and you have to watch all the videos. After watching different videos, your learning percentage will increase. For example, currently its learning percentage is 3%. So as you will watch more and more videos, your percentage of learning will increase up to 90%. So after watching all these lectures, you have to give the final exam. Once you watch all the videos and complete your learning percentage up to 90%, at the end you have to give this final exam, which is called mock exam. For example, this is final exam at CIE routing and switching version 2.5 mock exam. You have to pass this exam. After passing the mock exam, you have to fill the form. So for example, you have passed the final exam of HCIE routing and switching, and if your exam is passed, this is the exam history. For example, you have got 93 marks, for example, and this is mentioned pass. So this is your second attempt. So if you got 93 marks, then you have to fill the form. So this is the form which you have to fill after passing the mock exam. your full name, your user account ID, your contact number. So if you have enrolled in your country name, so you have to give your contact number of that country. Here you have to select the option. For example, you have PAS HCIA routing and switching, you will select it. And here you have to put the marks. For example, let in my example I show you 93 marks, so you can put here 93, and you will click on understand and yes. And you here, if you are an employee of any organization, you can put the organization name, or if you are a student, you can select student. Here you have to fill your detail, full name, email address and account ID. So once you click on submit button, you will see the registration is waiting for approval. So basic step is same. Please visit this website and click on your country name and follow the steps. If you have any query, please reply us in the comments.